Why are my bell peppers only getting as big as walnuts? And this is Helen. She says her neighbors are having the same problems and she wants to know how to get bigger peppers again.
Just she's had them before, it sounds like.
She's had them before.
I wonder, I mean, could it be, because it's the neighbors also, could it be something environmental?
So I'm thinking,
you know, and maybe it's too hot, or maybe it's a pollination problem. Maybe there's not enough bees out there pollinating both of the neighborhood. You know, something's happened that's different. I don't know. One of those would be my first thought.
Yeah, so definitely my first thought, you know, especially since the fruit are trying to develop, right? So it can be too hot. Temperatures over 90 degrees, daytime, nighttime over 70 degrees. It's gonna be a problem for peppers, tomatoes, anything in that family, right? Second thing, inconsistent watering, inconsistent moisture, right? Could be an issue, you know, as well. Poor pollination, I can go with, right? Because if it's too hot, it's too humid, you're gonna have poor pollination, right? So those kind of go hand in hand. Here's the other one I thought about, heavy fruit set.
True.
So if you have too many peppers on the plant, you might need to go in there and selectively thin out.
And that's hard for people to do. I know it's hard for me to do.
You have to thin it out, you know, that way you can get
one big large
pepper.
Either tomato or pepper or anything.
So I think if you do that, Miss Helen, I think you'd be just fine. And tell your neighbors to do the same thing.